Most people assume that airlines make their money primarily from ticket sales, baggage fees, and overpriced in-flight snacks. But what if I told you these are just the tip of the iceberg? Beneath the surface lies a far more lucrative revenue stream that most travelers never notice. It's a strategic pivot that could change the way you think about air travel and finance. But how have aviation giants soared beyond the skies to tap into powerful financial strategies? Let's dive into the captivating mystery that surrounds the aviation industry and uncover its hidden secrets. The real game changer behind this evolution is loyalty programs. Frequent flyer programs like Delta Sky Miles and United Mileage Plus might seem like simple rewards for loyal customers, but they are actually gold mines for airlines. Imagine being able to create money out of thin air. That's exactly what these programs do. Airlines generate their own currency in the form of points or miles, which they sell to banks and other partners. These partners, in turn, offer them as rewards to credit card holders and consumers. It is a program that has transitioned from rewarding customer loyalty to a complex network of revenue streams that bolster the financial health of airlines. In the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic, airlines heightened their focus on loyalty programs, transforming them into primary profit centers, generating billions in revenue. While the trend of leveraging loyalty programs for profitability began before the pandemic, the unprecedented challenges faced by airlines during COVID accelerated this transition. United Airlines, for instance, revealed that its Mileage Plus program was valued at an astonishing $21.9 billion, surpassing the airline's own market capitalization. This highlights a new reality. Loyalty programs have effectively become virtual currencies, and these programs have emerged as crucial revenue generators for airlines, showcasing how they turn customer loyalty into a billion-dollar industry. Initially, these programs were straightforward. Fly a certain number of miles and earn a free flight. However, it quickly became apparent that passengers were willing to pay more to fly with an airline where they could accumulate points. Over time, airlines expanded these programs by partnering with companies such as banks, car rental companies, hotels, and retailers, allowing passengers to earn points through various purchases, not just flights. This evolution turned frequent flyer programs into major profit centers and turned airlines into powerhouses that can manipulate their own currency to maximize profits. This revenue model has become so integral that airlines are willing to tolerate losses on flights to maintain their loyalty program's profitability. But how have frequent flyer programs evolved from simple reward systems to complex and highly profitable entities that drive significant revenue for airlines? The real genius of frequent flyer programs lies in their monetization strategies. Airlines control the value of their points, allowing them to adjust redemption rates and maintain profitability even when ticket sales fluctuate. These financial tactics place airlines in a unique position of power, essentially turning them into powerful financial institutions rather than just transportation companies. A key aspect of this strategy is the sale of miles to banks and other partners, creating a steady revenue stream. Entities such as credit card companies eagerly purchase these miles in bulk to use as enticing rewards for their customers, allowing them to earn miles on everyday purchases. This generates substantial upfront revenue for airlines, creating a lucrative cycle. Companies like Hertz, for instance, might pay 1 cent per mile to American Airlines, which then rewards customers with points for renting cars. These miles, when redeemed for flights, often cost the airline less than the revenue generated from selling them, making it a profitable venture for the airlines. Imagine every purchase you make bringing you closer to your dream vacation. This enticing proposition became a reality with the introduction of co-branded credit cards. Airlines, in collaboration with major banks, created credit cards that offered unparalleled benefits such as bonus miles, priority boarding, and exclusive lounge access. These cards transformed everyday spending into a gateway for luxury travel experiences, enticing consumers with the promise of elevated travel. The symbiotic relationship between airlines and credit card companies has proven to be mutually beneficial. These co-branded cards, issued in partnership with airlines, allow customers to earn miles for every dollar spent. This not only fosters airline loyalty, but also drives customer spending, creating a win-win scenario for both companies. Some airlines have taken this concept a step further by issuing their own credit cards. Picture the convenience of earning miles directly with your preferred airline every time you swipe your card. This direct approach not only streamlines the rewards process, but also strengthens the bond between airlines and their customers, further enhancing brand loyalty. Airline-branded credit cards may promise alluring rewards, but are they really worth it? While these cards encourage spending with the allure of points and free flights, they can often lead consumers into a cycle of debt. The reality is that redeeming these points involves hidden costs and diminishing returns. For example, spending $50,000 might only get you a $750 flight, plus additional taxes and fees. This discrepancy highlights how these programs are structured to benefit airlines and their partners, potentially disadvantaging consumers in the long run. Airlines are also always updating their frequent flyer programs to remain competitive in the dynamic travel industry. One recent significant change came from Delta Airlines, which revamped its program to base customer status on the amount of money spent rather than miles traveled. Delta's move reflects a broader trend in the airline industry, where carriers are increasingly prioritizing revenue-based loyalty programs over distance-based ones. By focusing on monetary spend, airlines aim to target high-value customers and maximize profitability. However, these changes can leave some travelers feeling disenfranchised, particularly those who frequently fly but may not necessarily spend as much as other passengers or consumers. Constant rule changes and strategic adjustments by airlines makes it harder for the average traveler to earn elite status and enjoy special perks, causing frustration among loyal customers. The evolving landscape of frequent flyer programs means that customers must continually adapt to new requirements, making it a constant challenge to reach their desired rewards. While these adjustments may help airlines maintain their competitive edge, they also risk alienating loyal customers and perpetuating a cycle of chasing after elusive benefits. This shift to a revenue-based system has allowed airlines to further boost profitability as it eliminates potential loopholes. As mentioned previously, frequent flyer programs initially awarded points based on miles flown. This incentivized smart travelers to book longer, indirect flights to accumulate more points. However, in this new system, points are earned based on dollars spent rather than miles flown, preventing travelers from earning an excessive number of points on low-cost, long-distance flights. Additionally, airlines have also introduced dynamic award charts, where the number of points required for a flight now fluctuates with demand, similar to cash fares. This dynamic pricing model allows airlines to adjust redemption rates based on factors such as seasonality, route popularity, and seat availability. While this may mean higher redemption costs for travelers during peak periods, it has allowed airlines to further maximize revenue. Airlines are not just conquering the skies, but also making significant strides in the financial sector. Leveraging vast amounts of data on travel habits, credit scores, and purchasing behaviors, airlines are creating personalized financial products tailored to travelers' needs. Modern marketing strategies, including targeted ads, social media campaigns, and personalized emails, effectively promote these financial products and travel deals, enhancing customer engagement and loyalty. This evolution is transforming airlines into multifaceted financial institutions. Imagine booking a flight and being presented with personalized loans, insurance, and investment options tailored to your needs. In the financial offices of airlines, a new trend is emerging. Airlines are now using their vast reserves of frequent flyer miles as collateral for loans. These miles, with their estimated cash value, provide a unique form of security that banks find appealing. It's an innovative approach, transforming a basic loyalty perk into a significant financial asset. This use of frequent flyer miles not only demonstrates the financial ingenuity of airlines, but also showcases the value and versatility of loyalty programs in today's business landscape. Airlines are indeed evolving into more powerful entities, leveraging frequent flyer programs and advanced technologies to boost profits. They now operate like banks, controlling points and offering financial products. With advancements in technologies such as AI and blockchain, airlines are well positioned to further expand their financial offerings. Embracing this new era of air travel with a strategic mindset ensures that your journeys are not only enriching, but also financially savvy. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Share your perspective in the comments section below. If you have enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more.